So this was my most favorite day in Palm Beach. We went to Palm Beach Golf Course, Palm Beach Par 3 Golf Course, and we had booked a 1 hour lesson with a professional instructor. And there were other people who were also learning there, but we were in one of the first slots. So we had real, true professional training from a really, really good instructor. This person, his name was Bob Hike, and he was very, very nice, and he worked very hard on us. He knew we were doing it for the first time, and he probably knows that it might be a one-time touristy thing for us. We might not come back, because this is actually also like a golf school. So they have people like the lady standing next to us has been training here for the last 8 months. So people are usually regular here, but we just went to one time. It was our first time at a true golf course and not a Top Golf. So he knew that, and he was extremely patient with us. He was very, very loyal. Like, he was very dedicated to us, I would say. And he taught us a lot of small nitty-gritty things that we really did not know about. And he also said that the fact that we are able to touch the ball on the first day is a great achievement. So I was really happy about that. And then, yeah, Anupam just got my perfect shot, but I also missed a few times before that. But yeah, so I captured him in the process of getting it right, but he literally got my only clean shot. So that's why you saw me doing a very clean shot. But I also struggled in the beginning. But this place was really good, very affordable. We really liked it for that 1 hour that we were, and our instructor was really, really good. I highly recommend him. And then we were just on our way back home from there. We also had a really wonderful lunch reservation after this, but we really enjoyed this drive from the golf course to our hotel. And then we went to the RH lunch reservation, which I'll show in my next video. But this whole drive was wonderful. These houses look spectacular next to the Atlantic coast, and I can only imagine what living here would be like. They're really good. But I'm also very grateful that I actually got to have this experience, even though I might never be able to live in a house like this, which is okay. But having this experience just once was really good. Maybe we'll come back later for another holiday again, but for now this was very fulfilling, and I absolutely loved this drive. And I loved the way they do their landscaping for these houses. Gives me a lot of ideas for whenever I have a house, or even my balcony. I like decorating my balcony with plants. So this was really, really beautiful.